A British passport is an official document issued by Her Majesty's government that certifies the identity and nationality of a British citizen. A British passport is usually blue in colour with a burgundy-red cover. Inside, it contains information such as your name, date of birth, photo, gender and place of birth. If you are a British citizen and need to renew your passport, then you can apply for one either online or by post. To do so, you will need to provide proof of your identity and citizenship. There are 3 different types of British passports available. It is important to note that no matter which type of British passport you have, it must be valid for at least 6 months from the date you plan to enter another country. How to apply for a British passport. The application form will require you to answer some questions about yourself and provide details such as your date and place of birth, your full name, your address, and other relevant information. British passport application process. Renewing your British passport is similar to the application process. However, there are certain documents that will be required, such as a current passport or birth certificate. What documents are required? Depending on your individual circumstances, the documents you'll need to provide will vary. Fees and processing times. For standard processing, the fee is £75.50 for an adult and £49 for a child passport. It takes 3 weeks to process your passport. Interview and biometric data. As part of the interview process, you will be required to provide biometric data such as fingerprints and facial scans. How long does the passport application process take? It is recommended that you allow sufficient time for your passport to arrive before any planned international travel. How much does a British passport cost? An adult passport costs £75.50, while a child's passport costs £49. The cost is higher if you use the Passport Express service or if you make an appointment at a UK passport office. A British passport is valid for 10 years from the date of issue and is renewable upon its expiration. How to renew your British passport? You will need to gather the necessary documents, fill out the application form, and submit it to the British Passport Office. Do I need to hold British citizenship before I can apply for a British passport? In order to apply for a British passport, you will need to provide evidence of your nationality. Having a British passport gives you access to the many benefits of being a citizen in the United Kingdom. You can travel abroad and take advantage of the reciprocal rights and privileges that come with having a British passport. How we can help? CGM app is an end-to-end immigration app, designed to make the immigration and global mobility process more seamless and compliant, specifically for expats, sponsoring companies, and immigration consultants globally. Visit www.cgmpartners.org.uk for more information. Thanks for watching.